Today, I'll walk you through how to use custom stickers in chat on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and send your own personalized stickers so you can add a unique touch to your conversations. Let's dive right in. First, open your Snapchat app. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates frequently and the core functions remain the same. Next, you'll want to take a photo or choose an image from your gallery that you want to turn into a sticker. This could be a fun picture of your pet, a memorable moment with friends, or anything else that sparks joy. Once you have your image ready, proceed to the next step. Now look for the scissors icon on your screen. This is your tool for creating a sticker. Click on it, and you'll enter a mode that allows you to highlight the subject of your photo. Use your finger to trace around the area you want to turn into a sticker. Take your time, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once you've highlighted your subject, it's time to head over to your chat. Click on the emoji icon to open the sticker menu. This is where the magic happens. Now click the scissors icon again to find the sticker you just created. It should be right there, ready for you to use. Select it and then click on it to send it in your chat. Just like that, you've added a custom sticker to your conversation, making it more lively and personal. Remember, using custom stickers in Snapchat is a fun way to express yourself and share your personality with friends. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.